Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start as an admin because deleting restore points requires elevated rights. Once signed in, open Start and type Create a Restore Point, then press Enter to open System Properties. You'll see Protection Settings. Select the system drive, typically C. Make sure System Protection is enabled. If it's off, you won't have restore points to delete. Next, click Configure to continue. This takes you to the interface, where you can view and remove existing restore points or adjust disk usage. Once you're in Configure, click Delete to remove all restore points for that drive. This clears the snapshot chain and frees disk space instantly. You can also lower the disk space usage slider to limit how much is stored going forward, which prevents buildup. If you prefer targeted cleanup, use Disk Cleanup. Open it, choose Cleanup System Files, and select more options to remove non-essential restore points while keeping the most recent. Finally, decide whether to create a fresh restore point now. Click Apply and OK to commit your changes and close System Properties, which finalizes deletion and new disk limits. If Delete is grayed out, make sure you ran System Properties as an administrator and accepted any UAC prompts. Reopening as admin usually fixes that. Once done, you can create a fresh restore point from the System Protection tab. If restore points still won't remove, boot into safe mode and repeat these steps. Safe mode bypasses many locks that can block deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.